My name is Yaken. I'm the Investor Relations Manager for Silvercorp. We are listed on the Toronto Stock Exchange as well as the New York Stock Exchange. Ticker is SVM for both. And we are a pure play silver producer with operations in China. We've been consistently producing from these assets for over 15 years, and we still have 20 years of mine life ahead of us with significant exploration potential as well as opportunity to consolidate regional targets that we're still exploring. So the Chinese operation is just one aspect of Silvercorp. We also have a very strong balance sheet with no debt and $260 million in cash that we're looking to deploy into another project or property that's advanced staged or producing that's going to be transformative to grow our production. We're actively looking for that project, and we look to communicate that to the market in due course. And the third component is our investment portfolio, which is worth $147 million as of June 30th. And a significant component of that is Silvercorp Metals, which is an exciting Bolivian exploration story that's got a lot of catalysts ahead of itself. So our flagship operation in China is called Yaken. It's a silver lead zinc polymetallic mine. So it has delivered 6 million ounces of silver last year, and it's well on track to deliver 7 million ounces this year. And we are a low-cost producer. Our all-in sustaining cost has consistently been under $10 per ounce for the last few years, and that's just due to one of the advantages is our customer, the smelters, are right next door. So there's no sea freight, there's no rail. We just we truck our concentrate to these smelters for processing. And so in terms of regional opportunities, we acquired another satellite property called KP last year. That's about 30 kilometers north of Yaken. And we're looking to add that satellite property to our mine plan, to bring that into the mine plan over the next few quarters. We're able to do that because we have many drills turning at sites, just trying to convert resource into reserves. Maybe that's not the best way to put it. Sorry. So we got a pretty sizable exploration program at Yaken that's looking to add resource to add reserves, to add mine life to our operations, and we're looking to put out an updated mine plan as well as updated resource as well as mine plan this fall. At Yaken, we are building a new mill, actually, a new 3,000 tons per day mill. That's going to cost $30 million, as well as a new tailing facility to grow our production. It's still on track for completion over the next few years, and we look to put out more news on the development front over the course of the next few quarters. And then in terms of catalysts, obviously we will table an updated resource and mine plan for Yaken in the fall, and then so we'll table an updated resource and mine plan for Yaken this fall, and then we'll just consistently deliver our quarters, just to demonstrate that our ability to generate free cash flow. We're looking at projects globally, and obviously precious metal focused, but we're also looking at base metal assets as well. and they should be like the criteria we're looking at is a mature stage project that we can utilize our expertise, our technical expertise, as well as our financial strength to bring that into production quickly to grow our existing production profile. So we are a pure-play silver producer that's significantly undervalued. We delivered $45 million of free cash flow last year, and based on what we're trading right now, and that's about a 2 times free cash flow, which is significantly undervalued. Our mines is just one component of our story. We have a very strong balance sheet that's going to support our ongoing efforts on the M&A front to add another a growth project to our portfolio that we can bring that into production and then to boost our production profile. The third component of the Silvercorp story is our investment portfolio, which includes the New Pacific, which includes a 28% interest in New Pacific. They're an exploration stage company focused in Bolivia, exploring for silver in the Andes, and one of the projects called Silver Sand, it's got 160 million ounces of silver, and that's going to be at a PA stage by the end of this year. And we continue to look forward to many catalysts on the technical, on the PA front, and as well as the exploration front over the next few months.